If you've been trying to figure out whether you can convert your SPayLater balance into ShopeePay, this video will explain everything step by step. A lot of users think there's a hidden option or a trick inside the Shopee app, but once you see how the system works, it becomes clear why the conversion isn't possible. Start by opening the Shopee app and tapping the Me tab in the bottom right corner. Under the My Wallet section, you will see ShopeePay, SPayLater, vouchers, and your coins. ShopeePay is your actual wallet. It holds real money that you manually load using Gcash, your bank account, or other cash-in options. From ShopeePay, you can send money to other users or even transfer funds to your bank if the cash out option is enabled. Now, SPayLater is a completely different feature. It is a loan program provided by Shopee, meaning the balance you see there is borrowed credit, not real money you own. Because it is credit, Shopee restricts how it can be used. SPayLater can only be used to pay for items within Shopee. It cannot be withdrawn, transferred, or moved into any kind of wallet. If you open ShopeePay and go to the Send Money section, you'll notice there is no option to transfer or receive funds from SPayLater. And when you check SPayLater, there is no button that allows you to send your credit to ShopeePay or any other account. Shopee purposely separates the two to prevent people from borrowing money and then immediately cashing it out, which would break their policy. Some users also get rejected when applying or verifying SPayLater, especially freelancers or those without business documents, because Shopee prefers verified income sources. But even if you're approved, the rule stays the same. SPayLater cannot be converted to ShopeePay in any way. If you ever see someone online offering to convert SPayLater to ShopeePay or Gcash, be very careful. These offers are usually scams. No third party can access your SPayLater credit or legally transfer it out of Shopee. So to summarize, ShopeePay is your real money wallet, and SPayLater is your loan credit. They look similar inside the app, but they are not connected. There is no official or unofficial method to transfer SPayLater funds into ShopeePay. If this guide helped you understand how the system works, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Shopee tutorials.